Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change server in Bloodstrike. Alright, let's begin. In Bloodstrike, your server is automatically selected based on your location when you create an account or log in. For example, if you are in Asia, the game will automatically assign you to the Asia server. Currently, there is no in-game option to manually change your server. Bloodstrike's customer support confirms that the server is linked to your region and cannot be altered directly from within the game. The only way to access a different server is to physically change your location to another region associated with that server. You can check this information by visiting Bloodstrike's customer service section and searching for server details. It explains that all server assignments happen automatically upon login, and manual switching is not supported at this time. So, that's basically how you can change server in Bloodstrike. That's it for this video. Thanks.